Hi, I'm Ella Mukherjee, and I'm a ceramic artist from Delhi, India. I am doing clay work for almost 25 years. I have done my master's in English from Calcutta University, and then I got married to a sculptor. And so he gave me the first lump of clay in my hand. And then there was no more looking back. And later, I think I started showing my works from 2000. That means I moved to Delhi after that, and I started doing my work. And I think I have my professional show in 1999 or 2000. And after that, I got a Fulbright scholarship to go to the US to be a resident artist and a resident research scholar, I should say. And then I got Charles Wallace India Trust Scholarship to go to the UK and study ceramics. And I have been awarded this junior and senior fellowship, which I'm a fellow of the Ministry of Culture, Government of India. So I'm presently doing on my works on ceramic and print. That's a research project I'm doing for the Ministry of Culture as a senior artist of the country. So I arrived in Vernon on 9 January, an early January morning, and I was introduced to the Kaitani family history. Susan, Liz, Janelle, everyone was there, and it was beautiful, I should say. Like, I am from Delhi, India, which is in a tropical country, and when I arrived there, it was all white, all snow. So the tropical environment versus the cold snow, but the warmth of Vernon people won me over. My work is always around about the surrounding, about my immediate surrounding. It can be man-made or it can be natural. The Vernon series of work is also about the landscape in winter, the snow and the whiteness, and everything amazed me at the same time. Like the footsteps on the snow, the icicles on the trees, the frost on my window. It was also inspired by the snow-clad mountains, the walking trails, my everyday walk from Kaitani Center to the Vernon Community Arts Center. So if this body of works which I'm showing at this exhibition is sort of more linear, geometric, more regimental, more monochromatic, the initial works are quite different from my later works. As I have settled down and the snow started melting and I started making friends, started making relations and feeling the warmth of the people, the works unconsciously started changing. It had more color. I have introduced glass with my ceramic work in this series. I became more comfortable with the Vernon environment, with the people, and so when the works are there, you can see there is a subtle but gradual change in my works. Yeah, art is important, and I every day I feel blessed that I'm an artist. I have named the series Snowflakes on My Shoulder. So it's basically a Vernon journal. So each work you see, those works are actually a page from my this journal, Vernon Diary, which I've written in clay and glass. loved how I have evolved in the new surrounding. I fell in love with Vernon, the lakes, the roads, the footsteps on the walking trails. So all these things, even snowflakes on my shoulder, it made a difference in my life, and it got reflected in my work. But I just fell in love with the people. They reflect my evolving and adjustment and accommodating to the snowy landscape, to the spring, my evolution as an artist, as an individual. This is dedicated to the city, to its people, to your warmth, to your love, which all of you showered on me and made a very memorable experience.